Hi there. Sorry for that. Hi. Do you have the iPhone 7 512 gigabyte?
512? We don't make a 512 iPhone.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, well, this is the first one.
512 gigabyte iPhone? That is not right.
Yep.
Unless I'm working in the wrong place today.
So today we'll be putting together the first iPhone 7 512 gigabyte outside of China. I just want to say thank you to Union Repair and Quan Li for finding this chip for me and sending it to me as a gift. And I also want to say thank you to Fernando, all the way in Mexico, for helping me with the programming of the NAND. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, so today guys we will be seeing what the Apple think about the iPhone 7 512 gigabyte. Let's go see. Hi guys, sorry to bother you. Can I ask you a quick question? Do you guys sell the iPhone 7 512 gigabyte?
It doesn't exist.
It doesn't?
No, max for those was 256.
Oh,
I
okay.
think they're now 128.
Okay, well you're lucky because this is the first one.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah?
How cool is that?
Oh, yeah, so it's been a project of mine. It's the first one out of China that I've put together.
Wow.
But what do you think? It's cool, huh?
It's quite interesting, yeah. For sure, for sure.
I think if we didn't sell it,
yeah.
we don't sell it.
I was about to say.
Where did you get it from? That doesn't make sense.
But yeah, so it's one of the first ones out of China. It's actually the first one. So.
For sure. Who's your guy out there?
Yeah, so we've actually made a professional video, but we're going to blur faces.
Okay.
If I were you, shout corporate, man.
I'm going to sell it on eBay. Oh shit, sorry. See you later.